When people are missing one tooth, only one, they feel that it's not a big deal, and especially it's on the back of their mouth, they don't see it, so they feel it's not going to do any harm, right? It's just a missing tooth and you can chew with the rest of your teeth, right? That's what people think. The problem is that missing tooth causes a lot of other issues in the mouth. The first thing and the most obvious to happen is that the neighbor teeth to the space will move, they'll shift, and the tooth that is opposing to that will also shift. So it affects your chewing abilities, affect the way actually your muscles work and relax. You tend to have a lot of problems. People start grinding their teeth, and they don't know that that's one of the causes for that. Many people ask how much time they have after the tooth is missing, and really it's a very hard question to answer. The bone disappears or shrinks in a different grade for each person. But normally within a year, you see noticeable changes. So the sooner you can do it, the better. You don't want to be waiting too long, because then you have to add the bone, it's more complicated, it's more costly. So, the sooner you do it, the better it will be. But it's kind of hard to estimate because everybody has different metabolism and changes in a different rate. But normally changes in the bone occur within a year. Traditionally, or many years ago, when the implants didn't exist, bridges were an excellent resolution because you have no other way to put a tooth in the middle that's hanging in the air, right? The implant prevents the bone from shrinking, but the bridge doesn't. Also, if you have natural teeth that are virgin, they don't have any restorations in them, now you have to sacrifice 2 teeth to put a bridge to replace 1. So you are working on 2 teeth that didn't need anything. The longevity of a bridge is shorter than implants because you can get decay around the neck of those teeth that are holding the bridge. Because especially in between where the space is, because it's hard for you to keep it clean, people are not as good as cleaning those areas because you have to go a little more specific when you clean, right? So people tend to kind of abandon a little bit that area and you end up having decay. So there's multiple reasons why an implant is definitely a better solution. So if you have a missing tooth or multiple missing teeth, please call us at Stuparich Nouel Dental Associates. We'll be very happy to help you solve the problem and give you a new tooth.